Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display. Following that, you need to click on motion smoothness and click on one of the available ones in order to apply it. In my case, high. Now to save your changes, hit apply. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!